Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these crusty white rolls. Let's begin. So to start the recipe you'll want to get yourself a mixing bowl, and into there place your bread flour along with your salt and give it a brief mix just to incorporate the two, as when the yeast and the salt touch it deactivates the yeast. You can then go ahead and add in the white shortening and the yeast along with the water, and then start to mix this on a low speed until the dough forms. I will leave all that information in the blog post which will be linked down below. So once your dough is done with mixing, you'll want to flour your surface and then just knead the dough for a minute or so just until it's smooth and elastic. Once you've done that, you can then place it into a lightly oiled bowl and cover with cling film. Now you can place the dough somewhere warm and allow it to prove until doubled in size. So once the dough has finished proving, you can then take it out of the bowl and knock it back. This is just a process of removing the gases that built up during the proving process. You can then form the dough back into a ball shape, and then you can start to cut off the amount of dough you need. Mine was 75 grams each, but yours may be more or less just depending on your ingredients. You can then go ahead and start placing your balls of dough onto a baking tray and just put them fairly close together but with some distance as they do prove up while they bake. You'll then want to prove them again, just covering them with some cling film and placing them somewhere warm until they are double in size. So once your dough has proven again, you can then bake it off. All that information will be left in the blog post down below. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again later in the week with another video for you, and next week with the bread series, so join me then. But don't forget in the meanwhile to check out my blog, which is bakingwithelliott.com, and to check out my social medias, which will all be linked in the description down below. And until next time, bye guys.